I may be early, but I'm ready. April 8th, 2024 is the total solar eclipse date, and I want to show you these glasses. These are from Celestron, and they perform well. What I especially like about them is they have a generous viewing area, but also when you're walking around, I can clearly see underneath my nose, so I can walk around with them on and not feel like I'm gonna trip over my feet. So anyway, happy with these glasses. They are CE and ISO certified, but the main thing is when you got them, you will be ready to view the eclipse. So here's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put these glasses right here on the camera lens, and you'll be able to stare directly at the sun, and it's gonna be an amazing April the 8th. So make sure you got your glasses in time. Don't miss out. Celestron, make some good ones. One other cool thing about these Celestron eclipse glasses is they come with a viewing guide for the solar eclipse, full of color photos, information, trivia. It's actually pretty informing. I haven't read through it yet, but I'm going to pull it out when we get closer with the family. Kind of makes a lot of fun. And then towards the very end, it shows you the exact trajectory of the eclipse, and then also the exact times that the eclipse will be over your city, no matter where you are in the world. So really kind of helpful down to the minute, and then the duration of the eclipse. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a unique feature to these glasses. Again, highly recommend them.